No, don't. Help me.
Let her do it, Devontae.
You running out of wrapping paper. Ooh. Oh, she told me to call her when we open presents.
Well, you can do it afterwards.
Ooh, look at the bell. I like the bell. Look at the bell. Finn.
You see the whole front?
What there? That's creepy.
Oh, I see it. Ooh, it's pretty.
But
You saw the butterflies on the leg?
Butterflies?
Yeah, open
I
the
see it.
front. No, the bottom.
I know, I see it. It's right here.
No, the bottom. Hold it up and look in the front.
Oh, that's... Love, freedom, love, freedom, love, freedom, love. I like the butterfly.
It could be a long time.
Ew.
Which one's that?
It's from y'all.
Don't throw that one away. I like that one.
Don't throw that one.
They're both. Go ahead.
it's a new phone.
What is it?
It's a phone.
No, it's not.
Phone. The Muffin movie. Ooh, I just saw that movie.
Thank you.
Why are you getting excited?
What do you mean?
Why are you getting excited? You said thank you. Because you can put your iPod in there, right? Your regular iPod?
iPod, not phone. Oh, not my iPod. Well, I don't know. I'll try.
You should be able to put your iPod in there.
I'll try.
So that way you have speakers, so if you have friends that you want them to listen to your music. Which one is that?
It's from your
Oh, you got a hand mixer. Yeah, I know it's from us. Are you happy about that too, huh? Cool. That's for you.
A measuring cup. It's a measuring cup.
I can see.
Okay, one more. Who's that from?
Mommy.
Okay.
She said it was books.
That's because she didn't think of rocks.
Oh my goodness! These are so cute. Thank you, Mommy.
Silly. Did you notice that that pink goes with Michelle's outfit?
Oh, yeah.
So you can wear that tomorrow.
Ooh. I can open another one.
Okay, let him open another one. Give him one.
Okay. His is over here. You want to open something for Mommy?
Yes.
Yeah, you know what that is. Is there any more? Oh, get the one from Uncle Ron. Or you can get your envelope out your stocking if you want.
Yeah.
Oh my Lord, Michelle, Deanna, please.
Yeah.
Deanna, please stop being so loud. Because Grandpa is trying to sleep. Can you get down? I can't see you.
I know what it is. I just don't know what it is.
Can you move over so I can have both of y'all in there at the same time? Thank you. Deanna. After you open yours. He needs help with the tape.
Sister, I need help out this tape.
How much is it? Oh, good. You can pass me it because you said $40 really isn't anything.
What did I say?
I'm serious. Thank you. I told you if somebody gave you $40, I was taking it.
Grandma, like I scrap more.
You can help them all you want. You passing up the $40 because you said $40 ain't nothing. Thank you. I ain't taking your money, child. Take your money. But next time, you ain't going to say that, are you? Mm-hmm. Uncle Siobhan did you good. $40. Glad you ain't have that today. You would have spent all of it.
Who wrapped this?
Can you get it? I had to make sure it didn't come loose. Just tear the box.
Is that a box? No. What is it?
It's a shoe box. Told you knew what it was. Look, Devontae.
That's mine.
Yeah.
You like it?
That's from Mommy.
Yeah, that's for mommy.
Yeah. You want to try it on?
Yeah.
Okay. That's cool, Devontae. You can wear that today when we go to church.
Shirt.
Yeah. There you go, repeating everything. Turn around. Oh, that's nice. That looks good on you, Devontae.
Okay.
Cool.
Patrick.
Oh my goodness.
Patrick Roden.